Hi, I'm Jaden with Vivo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the wheels from your VIVO Pet Stroller. You will need a flat blade screwdriver to do so. If your wheels are installed upside down, then the stroller will be very wobbly. If you're unsure, you can check the arrow located on the back of the wheel. If the arrow is pointing down, that means that the wheel has been installed upside down. There are two latches located on the end of the leg, one on the left and one on the right. You will need to release both latches in order to remove the wheel properly. You will need to insert the screwdriver in the bottom of the wheel and release one of the latches on the sides. Once you've released the first latch, you will want to hold it down with your finger and insert the screwdriver on the other side of the wheel and release that latch. Once you've released that latch, the wheel should come off with ease. When you reinstall the wheel, you will need to make sure that the up arrow is pointing towards the top of the stroller. When you install, you will just need to make sure that the wheel snaps right in place. If you have any questions, you can contact us at Vivo Customer Support. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.